Right, here we are again. This weekend it's going to be the big roast dinner. There's going to be a few of us coming down here and making roast dinner between all of the vans of their different cookers and lithium and God knows what. We're going to have vegetables and it's going to be amazing. So hopefully it stops raining and see how it goes. In a bit. Also just bought this new air fryer, so it's only a cheap one. We'll see if it's any good for dinner tonight. Obviously the roast dinner isn't tonight, but that'll be maybe Friday or Saturday, not sure yet. But for now I'm going to have pepperoni pizza that someone has hand stretched for some reason. I don't know why you'd want to stretch it, but surely you get less for your money, don't you? I don't know. Anyway, let's give that a go. Well, there you go, they've stretched it to make it wafer thin, so it's very thin. So I'm going to put some in here, there, and see what it tastes like. Absolute chucking it down. Well, that's the first bit done. Not too bad, eh? God, it's absolute chucking it down. I think I might need a boat to get out of here in the morning, or a raft. Bloody hell. For some reason, I don't know why, I've put my hat on and it's getting very late. So I'm probably going to go watch some YouTube on the computer and then go to bed. And I'll see you in the morning. Tatty bye. Got a few people turned up now. Putting the solar panel on that carries around, but as always it's very, very windy. Then you've got a shop in this. great weekend. The food was amazing. A full roast dinner. I think there was about 12 vans down here, and we all got a big helping. So hopefully we're going to do that soon, and I'll see you in another vid. See you later. Bye.